Okay, so finally we are out of the outer box. Have to open up this one. Okay, so this is a limited edition Brabus Rocket 900 from GT Spirit. This is 1:18 model as mentioned over here. Let's quickly get into it. Okay, nicely packed, safe and secure. Still locking here. Okay, so the moment has arrived. Oh, superb. This is so great. Fantastic looking. Okay, so we just carefully take out the car. So I have completely unscrewed the car. Hopefully it will come out properly now. Okay, so here it is. This is the Brabus Rocket 900. So this is actually the Mercedes AMG GT 63S, which has been completely revamped and jumped up by Brabus. So Brabus revamps all the Mercedes vehicles and it makes it more powerful. It has all the body kits. So the reason it is called as Rocket 900 is the BHP is now pumped up to 900. It's staggering, and the torque is again a mammoth 1250 Newton meters. That's so powerful. And GT Spirit, they are known to make sill models. So this is a completely sill model. There are no openable parts. But the kind of styling and the attention to detail that GT Spirit has is stupendous. The car is looking very nice. It's good looking from every angle, and the best part is even through the windows you can see the interiors well. I'll just upload certain pictures along with the video so that you can have a better look at it. So the front bumper has been completely redone by Brabus. The spoiler, the whole exhaust area, it looks really awesome, ready to rock and roll. So only 10 units of this car, actual car, will be made by Brabus. around the world. So it has a 4.5 liter V8 inside. The alloy wheels are so good. The spoiler is also, I just love the spoiler. Isn't it so good looking? You can see over here in small letters written as bi-turbo 900. So nowhere you will see the Mercedes logo, only Brabus everywhere. In the front grille, near the bonnet on the top, then in the rear, just below the spoiler, rocket Brabus. Nicely done. So if you see over here, there are only 1500 units to be already produced maybe. So this is 1415 out of those 1500 units. Looks really awesome if you ask me. The only reason that I have a small complaint is we are not able to open up the whole car. The doors, they are all sealed, nothing can be opened. But yeah, this is how they make it. They make complete resin models, so this is not a die cast. The coloring, the paint job, the whole styling, small elements over here, the cuts and creases, they come out very well in GT Spirit models. So yes, again, coming to rating the car, I would give it 9 out of 10. So the pure detailing that they have done, it's really good. The pictures will do more justice to what I'm saying. So thank you for watching. I'll just upload the pictures for your reference, and do like and subscribe if you're a car enthusiast, and if you know someone who is a car enthusiast like me. Ciao. Thank you for watching.